Do you suffer from dry skin allergies or just live in a high humidity area? Well, check out this Carro ultrasonic humidifier. Hey, are you suffering from high humidity or dryness of the skin? Well, check out the Carro Cool Mist Humidifier that's available on Amazon. Looks like for right under $40 if you apply this coupon. Now, this cool humidifier features 7 different LED lights, and it has a large capacity and can work for a large room up to 400 square feet. Alright, so it looks like it comes in this no throws box. That's the model number. Okay, let's go ahead and open this up. You have oh wow, it comes with remote control. Okay, manual, and it's properly wrapped up, prevent damage. Oh, it's a cute little unit. All right, so straight out of the box, make sure you have the humidifier, the remote control, this cute little thing, and the instructions manual. It's a humidifier, so it should be pretty straightforward. Now the humidifier itself measures 10" by 10" by 6" in width. It weighs a mere 3.66 pounds. The capacity it can hold is 4 liters or 1.06 gallons of water. Located on the top is a 360 degrees swivel nozzle. They can spray in any direction, and is a top pour unit. The unit itself is made of sturdy plastic. On the bottom you see the Carro logo, and that's where the menu buttons, on off switch, the mist, humidity level, you got a timer, the LED light, and the auto function. I'm going to give you a walk around. There's a min and max fill line. And oh, right here, this is where you can put the diffuser oil. So you want to use aromatherapy, you would simply press this in to release it and pour your favorite oils. That's truly awesome. All right, here's what the bottom looks like. It's got some rubber padding to prevent any scratching. So let's go ahead and fill it with, preferably, they suggested filtered water because regular tap water will collect the calcium deposits and contaminants. And if you are ever to take this apart, this is called the mist nozzle. This is the upper cover. You can remove. And this is the mist tube. That's the water tank. The air outlet right there. Alright, so I don't have any filtered water, but I boiled some water, so it should be fine. I'm gonna pour it in here, in the large reservoir, and fill it to near the max line. I'll just pour all in here. Okay. And see, it's a large capacity, max line. Still a ways to go. All right, so let's go ahead and plug it in and let's see what it looks like when it's connected, powered up. All right, see it turn on? Okay, so before we use the remote control, I want to peel this off. So it's already battery included. You have the on off mist function, humidity level, timer, lights, and auto. Okay, let's go ahead and switch it on. See, it shows humidity level right now is already on. It detects that it needs to be powered on, 53% humidity. And here's the mist level. So that's the low, 1 bar, 2 bar, and 3 bar. That's the highest setting right there. And if I press the humidity control button, it shows you, oh, actually this is the humidity level. I think that was the amount of water it's using. Okay, and there's a timer button. You can switch it from 1 to, I believe, upwards to 12 hours. So you can use it for half a day. Okay, and also keep in mind that this will fill out a room 400 square feet. It has an auto humidity mode where it keeps your room from 40 to 60% humidity. The setting can change from 45 to 95% humidity. Okay, let's go. Oh, okay. So humidity, I want to set it to something where it would automatically work. And also there's the auto function right here. It automatically sets it to 40 to 60%. All right, and let's go ahead and check out the lights. There's supposed to be 7 modes, I believe. Okay, that's red right there. Switches to green, and it alternates to blue. And I'm pretty sure next one's gonna be like kind of like purple. Let us cycle through the colors. There's supposed to be 7 color modes. Quite unique. And if you want to turn it off, oh, there's the purple I was looking for. You can turn it off with just simply hitting the remote or touching the screen right there. So the humidifier uses 120 AC volts, operates at 60 hertz, using only 28 watts of power. The fog amount is 110 to 200 milliliters per hour. And here I pretty much have all the rooms light off except just for the natural lighting. I'm pretty sure this will make an awesome night light too. You imagine putting this in a kid's room, you know, when it's a hot summer day. This can act as kind of like an AC humidifier, yet it keeps the room just bright enough so that the kids won't be scared. Overall, my parents said they're very happy with this humidifier. I think this is their first cool humidifier. As you can see, the 7 LED light just makes it so much more fun to use. And that cute little remote lets you, stay in bed while making good use of the humidifier. With this auto function, ready to keep your room at the right humidity level. This is the perfect small size compact humidifier with cool LED lights to keep it entertaining, but most importantly, breathing right throughout a hot summer day or even winter nights. Go check out the Carro brand. My parents are quite happy and pleased.